Hello, I am Joanne Francis of Daily Skin Solutions. I have been a medical esthetician for over 35 years. I bring you the knowledge on how to correct skin issues. Today's topic, acne scars. Let's get started. Hello, I am Joanne Francis of Daily Skin Solutions. Today's subject is going to be acne scars. Let's talk acne scars, cause, effect, and how to correct. Acne scars appear in 3 different ways: pink, brown, and pitted. Number 1, Caucasian skin, a lighter complexion, an acne scar which is flat may appear as pink, red, or even purple, but they are flat. They are called PIE. That stands for post-inflammatory erythema. They are caused by inflammation, and they can take a while to go away on their own. At-home care can help PIE go away faster with anti-inflammatory ingredients such as thyme, cucumber, elderberry, echinacea, chlorophyll, just to name a few. Number 2, acne scars that are darker usually appear in a darker complexion. These scars may appear like dark spots. They are caused by inflammation. Now, from acne stimulating also melanocytes. So we have cells in our skin called melanocytes. Their job is to protect us from sun exposure, injury, trauma. Injury or trauma can be as simple as a mosquito bite or a pimple. Also can be stimulated by UV radiation of the sun. So to protect that and help these hyperpigmented scars with ingredients to help them go away faster can be niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, retinol, licorice root, vitamin C, kojic acid. These are some some people may need short-term help with prescription ingredients such as hydroquinone or tretinoin. I say short-term because those 2 ingredients should not be used continuously long-term. They are for correction only. Number 3, acne scar is pitted or indented. That develops when the body does not produce enough collagen during the healing process, and cell regeneration isn't enough to fully repair the damage, usually caused by deeper cystic acne. Help for these scars may need combination therapy, such as topicals like retinols that we talked about, or retinoic acid, combined with treatments such as lasers or even microneedling. Note, it is highly recommended to have skin healthy, minimum 2 cell cycles, 1 or 2 cell cycles, which a cell cycle is 6 weeks, before getting any treatments. This helps to eliminate possibilities of melanocytes, creating darker spots or darker areas to the skin, because again, trauma, which can be laser or microneedling, can stimulate melanocytes, so we want to avoid that. Also, the skin being healthy before any treatments helps in the healing process, and it helps not to excite the melanocyte, but also ensures successful results. Also, to help prevent acne scars, you want to be gentle with acneic skin. No harsh alcohol, harsh chemicals, or harsh soaps. And because over-drying the skin can deplete the good hydration of the skin and possibly cause the oil glands to overcompensate. Also, we've heard this before, no picking or squeezing. This is what really helps to prevent acne scarring. Healthy skin is a daily job. And never forget acne-friendly SPF.